Today on my Kawasaki Vaquero, I installed these Diode Dynamics SSC2s. They're the white with the orange backlight. Now in this setup, I'm not going to use the backlight for now. I just have them tied into the auxiliary lighting. They're mounted on 1-inch tube clamps on the turn signal bar, the stock turn signal bar. Super simple to install. For the wiring, all I'm doing is using the stock auxiliary, or not the stock, the aftermarket auxiliary lights that come with this type of harness. I bought a T. I'm teeing into that and tying the Diode Dynamics plug into my T on my harness. Again, super simple install. We'll get some night shots later, but for now they look great. They're small, out of the way. These are the street legal fog lights pattern, SAE fog. But pretty excited, pretty easy install. We'll get some night shots later. Okay, that's the one single aftermarket daymaker. High beam with just a single daymaker. We hit the two side daymakers, auxiliary daymakers. And then we're going to click on the Diode Dynamics SSC2s. Without. Without. Okay, that's all the lights on. You can see. Diode Dynamics. I'm gonna move the light up and down. That's the beam you get.